Hi, my lovely people. Welcome to Daily Job Desk channel. If you are first time to my channel, please I request you everyone to hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I'm going to show about AWS, Azure, Cloud, DevOps job openings. Okay. If you're a fresher having 0 years of experience or 6 months or 10 months of internship experience, no problem, you can apply. Or if you're from any batch, you may be from any degrees or you may be from any domains, not a problem. If you want to switch into these domains, you can easily apply to the job openings which I'm showing. Okay, so I'm requesting everyone to watch this video completely till the end. One more thing, important thing is today in this video, first of all, before showing the job openings, I'm going to show about AWS fresher guy who has recently got his first job opportunity. Okay, many people says that there is no vacancies for the AWS freshers, and many people says that there is no freshers hiring. That too mainly in the AWS as well as Azure. Today I'm going to show you offer letter. Okay, so please watch this video completely end. And if you feel that the offer letter is edited or it's a fake, I don't have a problem guys, because I don't want to show you anything wrong. So let's begin the video. As you can see this here, okay, his name is Sharavanan. Okay, the person name who has got his job is Sharavanan. Here it's his offer letter. Okay, today in this video, I'm going to show complete about the offer letter first, and then I will be showing you job openings. Okay, so let's watch. Here there is one person called Sharavana. He got his first job offer. That is, this student is from the Naresh IT Institute trainee. He's got his first job opportunity from this institute. He has attended the interview and he got his job opening for the position of graduate engineer trainee. Okay, you may ask me, I have told you AWS fresher, but here the job role is mentioned as graduate engineer trainee. I will tell you the reason is, first, he is undergoing of 3 months of internship experience. After completing the internship, okay, he is going to get the full-time job opportunity. Okay, so that's why here they have mentioned the graduate engineer trainee. This is completely for the AWS fresher guys. I'm telling you, this is not edited or a fake one. And the next one is, as you can see here, I am pleased to inform you that we would like to offer you a GET positions. We believe experience and strong interpersonal and communication skills will be asset to our company. Please acknowledge your anticipated start date is 12th to 2024. His start date is 12th to 2024. Okay. And as you can see here, offer packages. We would like to offer you a 3.4 LPA. Need to sign bond of through 2 years, which is mandatory. Kindly acknowledge on the CCTC part as accepted on the CTC bond as well as. So here he will be signed a bond for a 2 years, and he accepted a package of 3.4 as a fresher for 2 years. Okay. So here they have clearly mentioned. And moreover, look at this. Below are the required documents needed to provide. By looking at the employment certificate and last 3 payment slip and 3 months, 3 to 6 month bank statement, don't can get confused. You may say this for the fresh. It's not for the fresher. It's for the experience. No, there is nothing like that. It's for the fresher guys. But the thing is, they have given the same offer letter even for the fresher as well as experience. Here, this guy, so he just need to submit about his Aadhaar card, PAN card, and passport size photo and education certificate. Okay. And if he has done previous internship experience, then only he need to show, or if he has prior work experience, then only he need to show the last 3 months as well as a working experience certificates. That's it. Okay. So please don't get confused with this. Clear? The next is congratulations once again. I will be waiting for your documents. Here you need to submit the documents. So this was the thing. I'm not going to reveal about the company because it's for this safety. So please understand the privacy. So this was the offer letter which I wanted to show you. Now let's get to the job openings. Okay. From past 2-3 days, many were complaining that bro, please bring only the fresher job openings. Due to your wishes, I have tried to cover only the fresher job openings. Okay. Here the first company is called as a porttech.io. The company name itself is a porttech.io. Okay. And looking at this position, don't get confused. I have bought any other job openings. This is completely for the AWS DevOps. If you read the job responsibilities and if you read the skills, you are going to get an idea. Okay. So let's read. Here the position mentioned is as intern.net development. Okay. And moreover, this is a paid internship. Here they clearly mentioned cybersecurity Gurugram. Look at this. The internship is going to be for the month of 3 months, and after the 3 months completion, you are going to get a job. Here they have clearly mentioned 3 months full time after the completion of internship, you are going to get job. Okay. And one more thing is job description. Read this. Okay. Here they have clearly mentioned about the job description, everything. It's include about the AWS DevOps, okay, and requirement strong understanding in Linux system administration and applications. As I've already told you, see they need a person who is a very good at strong at Linux system administration, okay, and substantial experience in middleware support roles with knowledge of DevOps infrastructure support, okay. Here you should be having hands-on experience or internship experience on the DevOps infrastructure. Okay. Linux administration experience, Red Hat Enterprises Linux, RAH certified or Ubuntu. Here they have mentioned if you are having the Linux administration, that must be in the Red Hat Enterprises Limited Linux. Okay. Next is Azure or AWS or GCP experience, preferably certified. Here you may be having experience on, it's hands-on experience, guys. Remember this, okay? Azure, AWS, GCP, anything is fine, not a problem. It's your choice. The cloud platform is your choice. And scripting skills such as Bash, Python, Perl. It may be your choice. You may be good at Bash, you may be good at Python, or you may be good at Perl. So this was the internship opportunity. Just go to the down, apply your section is there, right? You can just click on this. You need to fill all the details of this and you need to send submit application. So this was the first internship opportunity. If you attend this internship, okay, if you are going to get the performance is very good, then definitely you are going to get the job, full-time job. Okay. Now let's get to the second one. Okay. Here in the LinkedIn, there is one page called ArrayMac. Okay, this is also a company. They have mainly hiring for the DevOps engineer intern. Here, as you can see, they have clearly mentioned intern DevOps engineer. Look at this. We are hiring intern DevOps engineer. They have clearly mentioned. For more infos, here they have mentioned the duties, responsibilities, everything they have mentioned. I'm not going to read about duties and responsibilities. I'll be directly reading the skills section. Okay. So qualifications and skills. Computer science software engineer equivalent qualification from university institution approved recognized UGC of SL. See here you should be completed your degree. That is very important. You should be from the anything. Preferably if you are from the computer science software engineering background is there, you are highly preferred. Okay. Next is familiar with the Docker containerization orchestration, that is Kubernetes, Linux kernel, commands, Git process strategies along with GitLab, CI/CD, Jenkins. You must be knowing GitLab, CI/CD, Jenkins pipelines, and as well as Docker, Kubernetes, Linux kernels, and you should be knowing the Linux commands also. Experience in using infrastructure automation tools such as Terraform and Ansible. You should be having hands-on experience on the how to use the infrastructure automation tools like Terraform as well as an Ansible. Okay. Exposure to cloud. Okay. It may be AWS, Azure, and knowledge in Bash scripting. You should be having exposure to the Azure as well as an Azure or AWS cloud. Not a problem. Okay. Any one cloud is fine. Not a problem. Knowledge in Bash scripting. You should be having this scripting knowledge. That is very important. Experience in Elasticsearch, MongoDB, MySQL, Java, React Native, and React. Okay, and Python. They have here mentioned as you should be having hands-on experience. It may be in the Elasticsearch. Okay, the MongoDB also, MySQL, React Native, JS as well as Python. Basic knowledge on monitoring stacks such as Grafana, okay, Loki and ALK they have mentioned. So you should be knowing the monitoring tools also. So how you need to apply for this is here they have clearly mentioned their email ID carriers at arimaclanka.com. Okay, so this was their email ID. You need to send your email ID to this person. Next, there is company and they have mainly looking for the position of cloud engineer and the location is Mumbai. As you can see here, full-time engineering. Okay, this is a full-time job opportunity, guys. So don't miss this opportunity. I'm telling you. Preferred qualifications is 1 to 3 years of experience in cloud infrastructure operation domains. Here, if you are having at least 6 months of internship experience, 10 months of internship experience, or 1 year of working experience in any other domains, not a problem. Okay. Or if you're having experience in AWS or in the DevOps, not a problem. You can apply. So, and next is they have asked experience with the Linux systems and or Windows servers. You should be having hands-on experience in the Linux as or Windows. That's fine. Not a problem. Specialize in 1 or 2 cloud developments platform, AWS, GCP, Azure. You should be specialized in any one of the platforms, cloud platforms. It may be AWS, it may be Azure, it may be GCP. It's your choice. hands-on experience with AWS services, EKS, ECS, EC2, VPC, RDS, Lambda, JKE, okay, GKE, Compute Engine. You should be having hands-on experience on these services, okay. Experience with one or more programming languages, Python, JavaScript, Ruby, Java, .NET. You should know at least one Python programming. Sorry, you should be knowing at least one programming language. That is very important. Good understanding of Apache web servers, Nginx, MySQL, MongoDB, Nagios. You should be having very good hands-on experience on any one of the web servers, like it may be Apache, Nginx, MySQL, Mongo, Nagios. Logging and monitoring tools such as ELK, Stackdriver, CloudWatch. Okay, you should be having any one or two. That's fine. And you should also having the DevOps technologies. Okay. Next is knowledge on configuration management such as Ansible, Terraform, Puppet, Chef. You should be having knowledge on this also. And they also mentioned experience working with deployment and orchestration technologies such as Docker, Kubernetes, and Mesos. You should be knowing the containerization tools. Docker, Kubernetes are very important. Okay. And deep experience in customer facing roles with a proven track record, effective verbal and communications. Here you should be you should know about the better communication also. Okay, they have mentioned this. And look at this desire to learn and work with new technologies, automation in your bed. You should be knowing the automation. Okay. So this was the for the Mumbai location, guys. If you want to apply to the job openings, just go down. For this position is right there, so you can apply to the job opening. Not a problem. Okay. So here there is one company called PMark. Okay, the company name itself is a PMark. Here they are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. Experience, look at this, 0.5 months. Okay, or 1 year. If you are having just internship experience, or if you are completely fresher, not a problem, you can apply. Okay, I'm telling you. If you are completely fresher, also not a problem, you can apply. Here they are mentioned in the above section. They have mentioned the roles and responsibility. I'm not going to read this. Just I will be reading the complete candidate profile. Okay. Let's directly read this. Qualifications must have at least 0.5 years of experience administrating, managing Linux, Windows, Solaris system. See here they have mentioned at least 5 months of Linux administration experience. It may be the Linux, Windows, or Solaris system, not a problem. Okay. And exposure orchestration tools like mCollective, Chef, Ansible, Puppet. You should be having a hands-on experience, or you should have at least exposure to this orchestration tools like Chef, Ansible, Puppet. Okay. Next is understanding of Linux, Docker, Kubernetes, networking protocols, advanced tools, and troubleshooting techniques. You should be knowing the Linux. Okay, that is very mandatory. And the Docker, Kubernetes, networking, and advanced tools and trouble. These are very, very, very general as well as common important points required for the DevOps engineer position, guys. I'm telling you, if you don't know, learn it. Okay. Exposure to Oracle OEM, VM virtualization technologies, and exposure to cloud configuration tools. Here you should be having knowledge to, okay, knowledge of Oracle OEM as well as VM, okay, VMware virtualizations, and they also mentioned exposure to the cloud configuration tools. Okay, exposure to supporting production test development environments from small to medium to data centers. Here you should be having exposure how everyone will be working in the like production environment, test development environment. Here you should have the hands-on experience, not hands-on experience. If you are in just exposure to that, also not a problem. Experience in installing and configuration application servers and database services. You should be have experience in installing as well as configuration of a databases as well as an application servers, and experience in installation and configuration of Linux, Solaris, Windows Enterprise environment. Here you should also have hands-on experience on the Linux, Solaris, Windows. Anyone, it's your choice. Okay, and you should be knowing the effective communication skills via phone, email in English are mandatory business level English skills. Okay, you should be having at least good English communication skills. Possess and demonstrate strong logical thinking skills. Okay, you should be having good logical thinking skill also. And so these are the things which they have mentioned. Last, be in computer science or computer engineering, software engineering related areas is preferred. You should be having degree. Okay, it's not mandatory, but if you are having the degree in computer science, computer engineering, software engineering, highly preferred. If you are from any other background, not a problem, apply, don't worry. Okay, and good to have familiarity. Here they have mentioned, look at this, Linux, okay, Windows servers 2008, 10, 12, okay, ticket supporting systems such as Remedy, Track, Bugzilla, they have mentioned. So for the fresher, they have mentioned like too high end. So don't worry if you don't know. This is just a job. This is mainly for the fresher, not a problem. If you're having at least 70% of the skills, apply, not a problem. Okay, but please try to mention these keywords which are in this job description. Okay, these are preferred. These are very much preferred. So try to have this in your resume. Okay, and moreover, the job location is Bengaluru. Just go to down, apply for these positions, fill the form, and enter your cover details also. Okay. So you need to enter and you need to send the job. Okay. So this was the job openings which I wanted to show you for the today's guys. If you are looking for any other job openings in the upcoming days or in any other domains, please mention in the comment section. I'll be happy to bring you all the job openings. Have a good day. Bye.